guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make an American Girl doll hat. So it is going to have a little pom-pom on top. I already made one, but I'll teach you how to make it first. And then I'm going to be using an old sock. It has a hole in the toe. For the rest of the hat, I'll just cut here and glue it up here. Or I might use the end of the sock, cut it off here, wrap it all up right there, and then put this on top. But I can figure that out after I show you how to make the pom-pom. So first, you're gonna need some yarn. You're also gonna need some scissors and a fork. I'm also using a little elastic to tie it all together because when I tried to tie it all together with the yarn, it fell apart. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can just keep watching the video and you'll find out. Okay, so I'm just gonna take kind of a lot of this string. Uh-oh, it's all tied into a knot. Just a moment. So now I have this kind of long piece of string cut. And what I'm first gonna do is take the fork and put a little bit of it here. This is actually for tying it all together. I'll see if I can tie it tighter. Otherwise, the other one just exploded after I tried to do this. And so I just gathered up all the pieces and tied it with an elastic. But this part, we're gonna wrap the rest of it around this, and then we're gonna tie it over the top of it to fasten it all together. But that might not work. But hopefully it works for you. I might have to do it the other way if this doesn't work for me, but I will try my best. So you can just cut it. Why isn't it cutting? Okay, there we go. It doesn't have to be very long, but then you just kind of hold that there. And then this is when you start wrapping. Just start wrapping right around here and just keep on going until you like that size. I did make it thicker than this for this pom-pom, but it'll probably be fine. If you couldn't tell, I did run out of string or yarn. So I would suggest not cutting it before doing it, but instead doing it first and then snipping off the excess. So after you have this, then you can just take the string that we put there first from the back, and I just put them both together. This is the part where you have to tie it really, really tight, otherwise it might break. I didn't really realize how tight you have to tie it. You have to tie it like really, really tight, like as tight as you possibly can. So I'm actually gonna go off camera for this because I need to make sure that I get it tight enough, but hopefully you get that it has to be really, really tight. Okay, so now I have that on there, and next you're just gonna slip it off of here, and then you'll be done with your fork. I actually don't know if I tied it tight enough, so just to make sure that it doesn't explode, I'm still gonna put the elastic around it, just to make sure. Okay. That's probably tight enough. So now what you're gonna do is take the scissors and, oh, just a second. Okay, and all of this stuff here, you're just gonna cut all these little loops. And it might take a while. You probably would want a sharper scissors than me if you want it to go faster, because it does take a while to cut. And you might find some later also that you forgot to cut or didn't see. but I think I'm just about done. So I'm gonna head to the other side and just do the same thing on the other side. Now your pom-pom is pretty much done, but now you can just like fluff it out a little bit. And also these strings that I tied it together with, I'm just gonna snip those so that it doesn't hang off. And then you can just, I'm gonna trim mine a little bit, but then you can just fluff it out until it looks like you want it. Okay, so I think it's pretty good like that. And now on to the actual hat part. So next what we're gonna be doing is, so I took an old sock. You can use, I feel like this sock would work the best for this, but mine just has a hole in the toe, so I can't really wear it anyway. But yeah, and so you can just take that, and then what I think I'm gonna do is cut off the end of it where this little hem here is, and then I'm gonna like scrunch the top of that and then put it on to make it like that, just because this has more texture, but you can use the toe or the end of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna take this, and you can probably take about 4 inches of it. If you cut that and you want it to be shorter, then you can make it shorter, but I'm gonna cut it to about 4 inches. Okay, so now I have that cut. It is about 4 inches, which is how much I thought it should be. So next what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn it inside out. Don't worry, it's not gonna be like this for long, but then the side that doesn't have a hem on it, I'm actually gonna take another elastic, wrap all this end part, and tie that together here, just like that. Then turn it back right side out. And then it kind of looks good just like this. But now what we're going to do is hot glue the pom-pom on it, and then the hat is done. So this is what the hat looks like with the pom-pom glued on it, and I think it turned out pretty well. Now I'll just show you how it looks on an American Girl doll. So this is how it looks on my American Girl doll kit. It does fit on other dolls that are about the same size as American Girl dolls also. And even though it kind of looked smaller when I made it, the sock does stretch, so it does fit on her head. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you liked the craft. See you guys next time. Bye!